Now we'll discuss about lesson number 6, that is tertiary economic activities. So the topics eliminated in this chapter. This is the page number 57 or 58. This is the map which is on world major transportation routes. So there will be no questions asked regarding this topic. Next is Sangha Pahu. So this will be regarding the different occupations of tertiary activities, which is on page number 57. So these are the questions on which you can tell the examples of primary, secondary, tertiary. What are the things you use in your day-to-day life? So even this part is so next is the again can you tell section which is there in this chapter. So even this part has been eliminated. Make friends with map. So this is also the part which is on page number 57, which has been eliminated in this chapter. Next is Zara Doke Chalwa and Sanga Paho. So all the activities which are related, which are like find out, can you tell? Uh, so these are the different things which are being. Next is Pahabare Zamteka. So even this is a chart which is in your textbook. So there will be no discussion or there will be no questions regarding this. Even this part is eliminated, which is on page number 63. So this is totally dependent on the contribution of various sectors in national income. So there will be no question regarding this. Then the next is always remember, hey, nehmi lakshat theva. So there will be no questioning on quaternary and quinary activities. Okay. So Chaturthak व Panchak Arthik Vyavasay. So there will be no questions on these. Fourth and fifth activity which has been categorized in the economic activities. Okay. So next is there is a pyramid. How is the growth of the pyramid? This whole section is been eliminated. Okay, which is totally based on quaternary and quinary activities. And again the questions Karun Paha or try this, which is on page number 63, is also eliminated this year. Next is Doke Salwa, give it a try, or you can say, can you tell this? So even this chart, which is based on different countries and their activities, is being eliminated this year.